Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vijay, consultant surgical oncologist from Apollo CBCC Cancer Care, Ahmedabad. I am here with Apollo from past 2 years, and we are treating as a team. We have medical oncology, surgical oncology, and radiation oncology, along with our pain medications also. As a team, we are doing good, and for any patient, for any cancer patient, Apollo, I would suggest Apollo is a better place because we have all under one roof, right from investigations till diagnosis and treatment. To answer this, I would say that cancer itself is a difficult medical situation, and once we chose this profession, we are aware that we are going to deal with these medical situations right from suspecting a person to have a cancer, to diagnose a person to have a cancer, and also to stage the patient. All these three are difficult situations for us to break the news to the patient. And once the news is broken to the patient, and then we have to counsel him for the treatment which he has to go through, which may take quite a quality life from his quality months of life. Like he may have to go through a morbid surgery, he may have to go through radiation, he may have to go through chemotherapy and all, which have its own side effects. So all these things are a difficult medical situation for us. But does it affect personally? Yes, it used to affect me personally when I was doing a super specialty in the initial few months of my career. But then later on, I understood that in between my emotion and my duty, I found a balance. Yeah, cancer itself takes away almost minimum of 3 months to maximum of 6 months or even more than that in any person's life. So that itself is a long battle. And whenever any patient wins, that kind of long battle would definitely make us feel happy, not just with respect to that one single patient, but it actually gives us the confidence to treat many more such patients. Yeah, there are many fulfilling experiences in my journey, though my journey is just 3 years as a consultant surgical oncologist. To share one, I would like to tell about my experience with about a cancer esophagus patient. She's a young lady around 35 to 38 years of age, a villager, not much of from a low socioeconomic background, having just a myojna card in her hand, comes to me with her husband with this problem. Initially, we had treated her with chemoradiation, definitive chemoradiation, thinking that the entire disease would vanish away. But unfortunately, after completion of the treatment and after the response evaluation, we found that some disease is still remaining, which is stuck to her voice box also, making us mandatory to go ahead for a surgery, which would entail her to remove the entire voice box and the food pipe also. So I've explained the patient as well as her husband, and both of them initially, the very next moment, they agreed upon it. It was a very risky surgery. Told them that she may not even come out of the surgery, she may have to lose her voice permanently, and she'll have all the difficulties post-operative. They said yes. We went ahead with the surgery. She had a very difficult post-operative recovery, and then ultimately she recovered. For about 6 to 8 months, she was absolutely normal. She was very happy, back to home, back to her work actually, which actually made me feel much more happier, which I was not actually expecting that. Within 8 months, she was back to her work. But again, unfortunately, because this was a very advanced stage cancer, she recurred in her lungs, which again we had treated with chemotherapy and also radiation. But the only positive thing in this point is, though she belongs to a low socioeconomic status, they never went back in the with respect to the treatment. They always adhered to whatever we told them. They never missed a follow up. They never missed any investigation. They never left. They never lost their patience or the confidence in the treating doctor. This is what actually gave me a fulfilling experience. Though recently, 2 months back, she expired, and her husband still never felt that we had not done something much more better to her. This is really a good fulfilling experience for me.